The topic is acid-fast staining. Okay, we'll learn about modified Ziehl-Neelsen staining today. So we already know the different type of staining techniques. Once we'll revise again. In simple staining we used, which stain did we use in simple staining? Methylene blue. Negative staining, special stain, gram positive special कब से हो गया? Albert stain, gram stain तो differential stain. So special stain was in case of Corynebacterium diphtheriae. Which one? Albert stain. And differential stain we have learnt in our last to last class was gram staining, and today we'll learn about Zn staining. What are the 4 steps of gram staining? Okay, so come in and stain, 4 steps. First one is crystal violet, iodine, acetone, and stain, safranin. Okay, so come in and stain, and today we'll learn Zn staining. Okay, 3 steps. So Ziehl-Neelsen stain was discovered by Paul Ehrlich, and it was later modified by Ziehl and Neelsen, 2 scientists. It's named after Ziehl and Neelsen. Okay. The principle is the acid-fast organisms have mycolic acid and high fatty acids in their cell wall. This is the cell wall. Okay. This is the mycoic acid. Okay. In presence of hot Carbol fusion, it allows Carbol fusion to die. Okay. The basic fusion die. Carbol fusion is made up of basic fusion, alcohol, and phenol. Okay. So in presence of hot Carbol fusion, the basic fusion dye enters the cell membrane and it will dye the organism acid fast. Okay. And because of the presence of mycolic acid, it will not escape. Okay. Even on application of strong acids, that is why it is called acid fast. Even after exposing it to strong acids, it will not release the stain, and hence it is acid fast. Okay. The steps of Zn staining. Dr. Ritwan. So first of all, the preparation. We all know the preparation from last class. A 2 to 3 centimeter smear on a new, clean, grease-free, scratch-free glass slide is made. Okay, and then we will do the heat fixation. In case of heat fixation, it will do 2 things. It will kill the bacteria, and it will also fix the bacteria to the glass slide. Okay. First step is primary staining. In case of primary staining, we will flood the smear. We will flood the slide with 1% Carbol fusion for 5 minutes. Okay. Now we will keep it on a stand and will intermittently heat the slide from beneath. नीचे से हीट करना होगा स्लाइड को, ठीक है. विल इंटरमिटेंटली हीट द स्लाइड फ्रॉम बीनीथ अंटिल बबल्स और फ्यूम्स अपीयर. ओके. विल लेट इट कूल डाउन फॉर 5 minutes and then we'll rinse under water. If you do it suddenly after heating and then you expose it to the water, it will crack, and so we will wait for a little while and then we will rinse under water. Here the step of decolorization is done with 25% sulfuric acid in case of Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Okay, 25% sulfuric acid for 2 to 4 minutes. The slide will appear red after, if it appears red after decolorization, we'll have to repeat the process because it should appear slightly pink. If it appears bright red, we have to repeat the decolorizing process. Okay. Finally, we will rinse it under tap water. Okay, and next we'll move on to counter staining. Counter staining, we all know the methylene blue staining procedure. We'll pour the methylene blue, keep it for 30 seconds and then rinse under tap water. Observe it under 10x first under the low power objective and then under 100x. Okay. So what you will observe, sir, the picture. The acid fast bacilli will appear, the diagram, the acid fast bacilli will appear red to pink and the background will appear blue because of the methylene blue staining. Okay. The interpretation of Zn staining, this is very important for your exam. How to describe. So suppose a blue background is there and the red bacilli is shown to you, okay, you will say Mycobacterium tuberculosis appear as long, slender, straight or slightly curved, beaded, less uniformly stained, red colored, acid-fast bacillus. Very easy, na? Not easy? Acha. So you can just look at the slide, you can just look at the bacilli and you can identify all of these features. Long, slender, straight or slightly curved, very easy. Okay. Beaded, you will understand when you focus it, okay. Why it is beaded? Huh? Beads मतलब मोतियों जैसा होगा, okay. It will not like pearls, it will appear like pearls, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay. Acha. It will appear like beads, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is one bacilli, okay, and it will appear 1, 2, 3, 4 like beaded appearances. Here, circular, 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 circular. It will appear because of ununiform distribution of mycolic acid on the cell wall, okay. Acid-fast organisms, these are the examples: Mycobacterium tuberculosis, Mycobacterium leprae, atypical mycobacteria, nocardia, spores of some bacteria, and acid-fast parasites like Cryptosporidium, Cyclospora, okay. Now, why are these percentages written here? What are the percentages? Huh? Sulfuric acid used. The amount of sulfuric acid used, okay. So in case of Mycobacterium tuberculosis, we use the highest percentage of sulfuric acid, that is 25%, okay, and so on. In leprae, we use 5%, nocardia 1%, okay. These are certain modifications of acid-fast staining or Cole method, like Kinyon's method. Gavet's method, it is a two-step method where we use basic fusion phenol stain for 10 minutes, okay. We keep it for a longer duration, and also we increase the concentration of basic fusion and phenol. Okay, so more dye, more phenol matlab more carbolic acid, so it will use carbolic acid to penetrate the mycolic acid barrier, okay. We will not use heat in this case. And counter staining is done by Gavet's methylene blue. It will contain sulfuric acid, okay. This methylene blue will contain sulfuric acid, and hence the special name Gavet's methylene blue, which is done for 2 minutes. Same for Kinyon's method, it is a 3-step method. We'll use Kinyon's Carbol Fuchsin over the smear for 5 minutes. Second step is to decolorize with acid alcohol for 3 minutes, and third step, counter staining with methylene blue, okay. No heating is required. The fuming part which we do in modified Zn stain is not required in cold methods, okay. Hence it is known as the cold method. This is NTEP grading of tuberculosis smear. What is NTEP? Okay. Comment पढ़ लिया? Okay, we'll learn it in class okay. So suppose these are 100 fields of under the microscope, okay. We'll start from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and so on. We'll follow this zigzag pattern, okay, and we'll end up at 100 fields. Suppose if over the entire 100 field we see no AFB, that means the interpretation is negative, okay. Do you understand? If over the entire 100 fields that you view, if there are no acid-fast bacilli, the result will be negative. If you see 100 fields, in total you find 1 to 9 bacilli, it will be scanty. The grading will be scanty. In case you see 10 to 99 bacilli over 100 fields, it will be 1 plus 1 grading. Similarly, if 1 to 10 AFB per oil field, suppose this is one oil field, you see 5 here, 6 here, 3 here, okay. On an average, if you see 1 to 10 AFB per oil field, it is said 2 plus grading, and in this case we require only to examine 50 oil fields, okay. In case there are more than 10 AFBs per oil field, this is your one oil field. If more than 10 bacilli you can see in one oil field, over 20 different oil fields, it is called grade 3, okay, 3 plus. So these are also other examples of acid fast staining. This is nocardia. In nocardia, what percentage of H2SO4 is used? 1%. And in case of oocysts of cytosporidium, cryptosporidium, 0.5%. Okay, thank you. Carbol Fuchsin, acid and methylene blue. So in case of gram staining, it was come in and stain, ठीक है, and after you came in, you like after you did enter the lab, you came. So CAM ऐसे याद रखना. Carbol Fuchsin, acid and methylene blue. ठीक है. So Carbol Fuchsin, you will pour for 5 minutes. I'll do it on one slide. You can do it simultaneously also. Okay. Please take that one. बुक्स हटा लो क्योंकि इसमें पानी वानी गिरेगा तो प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा. तेरा वाला कर दूं, हेल्प चाहिए? कर लेगा. ठीक है, ठीक है. डू इट हियर. डू दिस वन. पहले टाइम देख लो. ओके, थोड़ा बीच में करो, थोड़ा बीच में करो. डू इट ऑन द सेंटर वन. इसमें करो, इसमें करो, ऊपर सेंटर वाले में करो. हाँ, बिकॉज यू नीड टू हीट ना, सो यू नीड स्पेस. बस बस हो गया, उसको दे दो. स्कैल्पल साथ नहीं यार. आदिल ले. दिस इज अल्कोहल. ओके, I'll show you once and you can do the other ones. Ma'am, please start. This is how you will do. Hit the slide 3 to 4 times, you will move it and you will remove. Okay? Fumes आ रहे हैं ना? ऐसे ऐसे फिर 3-4 बार करोगे and then you will remove.
So you fixing the rest?
हाँ? बताओ.
मतलब इस वाले प्रोसेस में से जो स्टेन है वो फिक्स होगा?
हाँ, वो माइकोलिक एसिड बैरियर को तोड़ेगा एंड इट विल, हाँ, माइकोलिक एसिड बैरियर जो है इट विल ब्रेक. ओके, एंड लेट द डाई एंटर. यू डू इट दैट वन. उधर करना, लेफ्ट हैंड पर.
टच नहीं करना.
Not for long. 3 to 4 swipes and then you remove. होता तो नहीं है ना. अच्छा, बस आस्ते नीचे दियो. इनफ इनफ हो जाएगा. छोड़ दो. बस 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 साइड साइड को फैल. हाँ,
इसको डिस्कार्ड सिंक में करते हैं
अभी के लिए. तो सो विल लेट इट कूल डाउन फॉर 5 minutes. ठीक है
सर. काम स्टेनिंग में जैसे टाइम पर स्पेसिफिक.
हाँ, इसमें भी है बट यू डोंट नीड टू लाइक ये मतलब कूल डाउन टाइम इज नॉट स्पेसिफिक. ओके, बट द स्टेन शुड स्टे देयर फॉर 5 minutes. तुम उसको हीट करो, माइकोलिक एसिड अंदर, माइकोलिक एसिड टूटेगा, द स्टेन विल एंटर. दिस व्हाट इज द स्टेन? इट इज कार्बोल फ्यूशन ना. कार्बोल फ्यूशन में तुम्हारा 3 कंपोनेंट्स है. सो एक्चुअली 4 कंपोनेंट्स है. बेसिक फ्यूशन होगा, फिनॉल होगा, अल्कोहल होगा एंड वाटर. ओके, सो द बेसिक फ्यूशन पार्ट इज योर डाई which will stain it red. ठीक है, सो वो स्टेन करने के लिए you will have to cross the mycolic acid का barrier. To break that barrier we use heat. Okay, उसका waxy appearance होता है. Any cell wall which has mycolic acid it will have a waxy appearance. lipids होगा, mycolic acid होगा, इसको हम लोग lag बोलते हैं. ठीक है, जिससे भी लैग होगा उसका वैक्सी अपीयरेंस होगा. इन केस ऑफ द वैक्सी अपीयरेंस जब उसको हीट दोगे इट विल इट विल ब्रेक डाउन and let the dye enter. As soon as you remove the heat, it will form again. It will harden again, coagulate हो जाएगा. ठीक है? As soon as it coagulates, it will retain the dye inside. ठीक है? And even after you pour acid, what will acid do? The same thing that heat does ना. ठीक है? As soon as you pour acid, even after pouring strong acid, mycolic acid will not let the dye escape. क्योंकि the dye जब घुसेगा, it will be a smaller molecule. As soon as it enters, it will form a bigger molecule inside. So even after breakdown of mycolic acid, it will not let the dye pass. समझ में आ गया? पहले पानी स्टार्ट कर लेना. स्मीयर रेड कलर है. Your finger should not touch the smear. Why is it touching the smear? इसको करने दे. छोड़. ऊपर उसमें रख ना. हाँ मारेगा तो. Rinse properly ना. I think it will rinse more. बस 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 हो गया. छोड़ छोड़ निकाल बना. क्या चाहिए? Is it rinse, madam? छोड़ दो ये कुछ. Next step is decolorizer. Please pour the decolorizer. And for how many minutes you will keep it? Decolorizer कितने minutes? 2 to 4 minutes. Here we will take 4 minutes, okay? Because it's a weaker acid, dilution factor थोड़ा कम है, ठीक? इसलिए we'll keep it for 4 minutes, okay? Please go ahead. हाँ करने दो उसको. दे रहा है. It's over the smear. हाँ तो देना. बस बस.
नहीं दोबारा
करो.
जो नीचे देखते हैं लेफ्ट साइड में फैट फ्लो